Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths with Aarav. In today's video, we will be exploring some practical applications of percentages. From calculating discounts to understanding interest rates, percentages are all around us. Let's dive in and see how we can use percentages in real life. Now, first, let's talk about what is percentage. A percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. It is denoted by the symbol percent. This is the symbol and is commonly used to compare proportion. For example, 50% means 50 out of 100. 50% is equal to 50 out of 100. Okay, or half of the total. Now, let's dive into the exercises. First, our first question, what is the first question? Explain as a fraction. As we know that percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. So we will just add 100 in its denominator. Let us apply this. Okay, first 80 upon 100. Oh, 0 will get cancelled out with 0. And now simplify this to 5. So its correct answer will be 4 upon 5. Now B, 66 in the whole, 2 upon 3%. So now we will convert this into improper fraction. 3 into 66 will be 198 and plus 2 will be 200. Okay, now we will just add 100 in its denominator like this, and both the zeros will get cancelled out with each other. Now the correct answer is 2 upon 3 is the correct answer. Now let's come to the second question. Express as a percentage. Now to to convert a number in percentage, we multiply a number by 100. Okay, so first question says 2 upon 5. We have to convert this into percentage. Okay, now we simply multiply it by 100 to 0. It will be 40%. You know, the second part, 3. Yeah. Now again multiply it by 100. This will be 4 to 5. And this will be 75%. Okay. Now let's come to the third question, find. Now we have to find the percent of 20. In this question, we have to find the percent of various numbers. Like it says 6, 1 upon 4% of 25. Now we have to find the percent. Whenever we find a percent of a specific number, we multiply it by 100. Like, let me show you. For taking percentage, first we need to convert it into improper fraction like this. 6, 4, 25 with 4. And this is in improper now. Whenever we take percent of a number, we simply add 100 in its denominator like this, and we have of, so we multiply the number of which we need to take the percentage. We are going to take the percentage, okay. Now 25, now 100 will get cancelled out by 25 by 4. So this will be 25 upon 16 kg. Sorry, kg. Kg, or we, if we want to convert it into in proper, we can 19 kg is the correct answer. Now B, let's do this one. 10 to 3% of 18,000. Okay. Now convert it into improper fraction, sorry. 32 upon 3, 1 into 18. It's 18. Now 0 will get cancelled out with each other. Now 18 will get cancelled out by 3 by 6 times. And now multiply them. 192 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's come to the fourth part. What is it saying? A boy spent 40% of his pocket money and is left with 36 rupees. How much amount does he get as pocket money? Okay. Now let's make the statement first. Let the pocket money be X. Okay. Now he spent 40% of his pocket money, left with 36 rupees. Now let's suppose a pocket money is of, okay, so let's suppose he was having 100 rupees and he spent 40 rupees from it. So how much rupees is left? 60. So what will be its formula? It will be X minus 40% will be equals to 36. Now we have to, now in this, we are taking out the pocket money, the amount. Now we need to match it with its denominator, 100. It will be 100x minus 40x, 36, 60x. This will go as in multiply, 3600 x to 3600, 60. It's 60 rupees. So answer is rupees 60. If you want to verify, you can verify it. Now let's come to the fifth question. Okay, what is it saying? Boys, 1,200 boys and 1,300 girls appear for a competitive examination at a center. Find the percentage of boys and girls appearing for the examination. Okay. Now, how many boys are there? 1,200. Girls, 1,300. Total, would 1,300 plus 1,200 is equal to 2,500. So we have to uh, take the percentage of boys first. Let's take it their percentage. So what is the number of boys? The strength of boys, 1,200. And how, what is the total strength? It's 2,500. Now for converting into percentage, we always multiply by 100. So 0 will get cancelled out by this. And 100 by 25, 4 times. Now it will be 48%. Now boys percent is 48, so girls percentage, what will be the girls percentage? It's 52, right? Because minus 100, minus 48 from 100, but I am doing the whole process again just to make clear to you. Or 52%, the correct answer. Now let's see the sixth question. Ajay scored 75% in a test. Okay. If his score was 180, find the maximum marks of the test. Sorry. So let the maximum marks be X. Ajay scored 75% of this maximum marks, which is X. We can also write this like this. And his score was 180. So now what will be its maximum marks of the test? So it will be 75% of a number is 180. Now we have to find a number whose 75% is equal to 180. Like this. Mm, This will go and multiply 18,000 x. What will be the answer? Now 3,720. Now this will be 240. So the maximum marks is 240 is equal to x. This is the correct answer. Okay, now let's come to the next question. 7. A cricket team won 26 matches in a season, if they won 65% of the matches, how many matches did they play in that season? Okay, let the total matches be. Matches be X. Team won 26% of the total matches. Sorry, I'm so sorry. 20, not the 26%, 26 matches. If if this was 65% number, 26 was the 65 of X total matches. If they won on 65% of total matches, then what is the total matches? Okay, how many matches did they play in that season? So 65% of a number is equal to 26. Now it will go in multiply. 65 x is equal to 2600, x is equal to 2600 65. Mhm. Now it will get cancelled by 5, 1, 13, 5, 20, 4. This will be 40. So the total matches they played was 20. Oh, sorry, 40. 40. This is the number. Now let's come to the eighth question. A man left 32% of his property to his wife, 30% to his elder son, 28% to his younger son, and rest to his daughter, which is if the daughter's share is 75,000. Now then find the value of the man's property, the wife's share, the total share of the two sons. Okay, okay. Let the man's property to be X. Oh, man's left for his wife, elder son, younger son, your son is equal to how much? 32% plus 30% plus 28% plus is equal to 90%. And share and daughter's share is equal to 75,000. Okay. B. Man left his man left his property for his wife, elder son, young son. The total percentage of this for his property left to his wife, elder son, and younger son is 90%. So basically, the daughter's share is equal to 75,000. So usually it will be 10% of the total property. 75,000 will be 10% of his property. So now we have to find man's property which is 10% of a number means 10% of men's property is equal to 575,000. Now we have to find the men's property, which is x, or 10x. We'll go in multiply 5,000 into 100. So 10x is equal to 75x. One zero will get cancelled out. So the correct answer is 7,50,000 is the men's property. Okay. Come to the second question. Wife's share. As we know, the men's property is 7,50,000, and wife's percent is 32%. He left 32% of his property for his wife. So what will be the share means the amount. So 32%. Now we have to take out the amount in rupees. So for this, we will convert 32% of 7,50,000 will be what? So multiply this. It will be a 0. Four. Yes, 2,40,000 is the correct answer. Now let's come to the second last question. The total share of the two sons, which is 30% plus 28% is equal to 58%. Now we have to take out the 58% of its property. This will be 4 lakhs 35,000. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now let's come to the last question. Yes, ninth question. Now what is it saying? In a man spent 40% of his monthly salary on the food, 50% on education, 10% on transport, 15% on entertainment, and 5% on military expenditure. Sorry. He saved the rest if his savings are 4,500. Find his monthly salary, amount spent on food, amount spent on transport, and amount spent on education. Now, let's see the first one, his monthly salary. Okay. Let the salary be X, salary be X. Uh, Man spent his salary on food, total, and now I'm writing the total percent, education, transport, for entertainment, routine, and expenditure. Expenditure is equal to 40% plus 15% plus 10% plus 15% plus 5% plus sorry is equal to plus it will be 85%. Okay, now now he spent 85% of his salary on these things. Okay, so how many percent salary is left? Suppose his salary was 100% and he spent 85% of it. So how much salary is left? 50, 15 rupees per percent. So now we have to and his savings was 4,500. Now we have to take out the his original salary. So 15% of a number is 4,500. Now we have to now here we are finding this 45% is 15% of his salary. So now we are finding a number whose 15% is 4,500. So 15x, this will go and multiply 100,000, sorry, and this will be 4, 5, 4, done. 30,000 is it salary. Now